Hi, and welcome to the second lesson of the Introduction to Affiliate Marketing course. In this particular video, we're going to talk about what you should look in an affiliate program before you start joining them. Let's jump right in and start with one of the best ways I can think of to choose a product to promote, and that is by deciding whether or not you are interested in purchasing the product yourself. If that is the case, chances are there are many others who are also interested in it as well. Of course, you can't just base your decision to promote an affiliate program on whether or not you like the product, but it is a good place to start. Now let's go over some other thing that you should consider. You will want to look for a high quality program, and you can find these by taking a look at what experts in that particular industry are promoting. This way you can get a fairly confident feel that the standard of a program is good or not, or it'll waste your time. You want to look for programs that offer real and viable products. Do some initial research if possible. Track down some of the members and customers to give you the testimonial on the credibility of the program. And you got to ask yourself some questions such as, does the program cater to a growing target market? Doing this will help ensure you that there will be a continuous demand for your referrals. For example, if you find that the program caters to a stagnant market, it's not really growing, then all the work that you put into now will not, make money for the future. So you kind of have to look on the long term and in the future as well. And again, do a little research and make some inquiries. If there are forums and discussion groups related to the product topic, participate and look for reliable feedback. Now, a program with a compensation plan that pays out residual income and a payout of 30% or more would be a great choice because you're getting monthly or quarterly or whatever residual income. Now, there are programs offering this kind of compensation. You just have to look closely for one. Also, don't waste your time with programs that do not reward substantially for your efforts, and be aware of any minimum quotas that you must fulfill. Some affiliate programs impose prerequisites before you get your commissions. For instance, they say you have to make more than $100 or make 10 sales before you receive your paycheck. I mean, if you think about it, if the sales target is too hard to achieve, you might want to think about rejoining, because for every sale that you help them make, you still have to put in the effort. You might have to, pay money up front, do PPC or whatever, things like that. Another thing you want to do is select programs that have plenty of pre-made tools and resources that can help you grow your business in the shortest possible amount of time. Not all affiliate programs have these capacities. Then you want to ask yourself, is the program automated? Check out whether or not the program has an automated system that allows you to check your referral statistics and compensation at any time. Does the program offer strong incentives for customers who make additional purchases or for members to renew their memberships? Affiliate programs that provide continuous help and upgrades for its products have the tendency to retain more customers. So you want to look at the product itself. Will this product have a high refund rate, or will this product have a high retention rate? These things can assure the growth of your business. Always get to know the product and program that you are considering. Knowing the kind of program that you're getting yourself into will help you anticipate and prevent any future problems that you may encounter. Do some research and don't be afraid to ask questions before you join. Now, here are some of the questions that you should ask yourself. Will it cost you anything to join? Most affiliate programs being offered today are absolutely free of charge. So why settle for those that charge you some dollars before joining? Especially if you're helping them out. And some product owners don't realize that, but affiliate marketers are selling for them, so they shouldn't charge them anything. So you got to be quite wary when you see that, because most likely it's going to be a scam. Next question, when do they issue commission checks? Every program is different. Some issue their checks once a month, every quarter, and select the one that is best suited to the payment time of your choice. Next question is, what is the amount of commissions paid? If the program pays per sale, which are the ones that I prefer, you can expect to make anywhere from 5 to 75% depending on the program. Usually the ones that are 5% are usually physical products. 75% are generally your digital products, and some have even 100% commissions. Now, you will also find programs that pay for each hit or each impression. And the amount paid for these types of programs is not much at all. So you must be prepared to send large volumes of traffic through your affiliate link to make a nice paycheck. So if you find someone that pays per sale, that's a good one there. Or even if somebody pays for a recurring commission, you refer them once. If you refer somebody once and the customer stays 6 months, then in that case, you get 6 months worth of commission. So it's not that bad. Now, there are some of the questions that need answering before you enter into an affiliate program. You should be familiar with all the important aspects of your chosen program, and they can help you select the right program for your affiliate business. Well, this is it for this video. In the final lesson, we are going to go over some great ways that can help increase your affiliate commissions. I'll see you in the next video.